Happy New Year everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll visit the Qudra Lake, which is more famous in the Love Lake. We are with the family, so this is our manong driver. And Skylar, say hi Sky.
Nope.
Hi.
Say hi.
Sky, hi.
Nope.
Alright, so this is our first stop. We are now here at last exit, Qudra. Let me show you how it looks here, yeah? So after a quick stop from last exit, we're now here at the SWAN Lake. Let me show you how it looks here, yeah? Bye to the swans.
Say bye.
Say bye, Sky. Bye bye, Swan. Bye. Alright, so after a quick look at the SWAN Lake, this is the SWAN Lake, right?
Yeah.
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 Now we're heading to which place?
Love Lake.
Love Lake. So it's Loveland Lake.
Yeah.
Let's spread some love in Love Lake, yeah? See you later. So after a 20 minutes drive from SWAN Lake, we are now reached our destination, Qudra Lake. Stay tuned on this video, I'll show you more views inside, yeah? Alright, we finally arrived to our destination, so we're now here at Love Lake. Let me give you a 360 view. How does it look here, yeah? So we already arrived here like 1 hour ago. You can bring your own food, so picnic is allowed here. You can do your barbecue as well. However, you have to bring your equipment. Let me show you more view behind me, okay? Have a look. This is another more on nature beauty in Dubai. One of the best places that we cannot what? What? Again? So we'll try to walk around here. Let's see if we can see that view at the top. Can you see that? Wait. We have to point that. So we have to go there. Yeah, stay tuned. So watch this video or watch this until the end, or
Nope.
stay with us until the end of this video. People are looking at me like I'm a celebrity here, you know? Because I'm holding a camera with the microphone. So we have to cross the lake to reach the other end because It will be a little bit far if we will walk around that way. I took off my shoes so we can cross this lake. Hopefully I won't drop my phone. Hopefully I will not drop my phone. Whoops. It's so beautiful here and relaxing. Just what I'm always saying, when you see buildings every day, it's really cool, or it's a different feeling when you see this kind of view, when you see nature. If you are watching this video, thank you so much. And I know some of my videos are still not that good. I'm still in the process of improving myself, so I'm investing on equipments. Just like right now I'm using a stabilizer, so it will give us more stabilized video, and I will try to edit, or I'll try to learn more in editing so I can give you a better content. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and try to like or comment if you have any suggestion, and stay tuned on this video. Yeah, I'm walking for around 10 minutes now, so we're trying to reach the top of that hill. It's over there. So we're trying to go up there, yeah? I think I have to cross another lake again. Look at these people here. Just like what they're doing right now. There. Alright. This is the Qudra, part of the Qudra Lake. And this is the Love Lake. So it's time to take off my shoes again. We have to cross this lake. Then we have to go there. That's so painful. Walking barefoot with these stones. Ow! 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 Alright. Alright, so we're almost here. Now we're climbing a stepping stone so we can reach the top. Let me show you the view from here. Let me give you a 360 degrees view of the Love Lake. There are a lot of spots here where you can take photos. And from the name itself, so it's a Love Lake, expect that you will see a lot of heart shape. There she is. So she don't want to cross the lake a while back. She thought there's another way, but look. Alright, now so we are here at the top of the hill. Let me show you the view behind. It's so relaxing and beautiful here. You can't imagine that they have this kind of view in Dubai. Look at the view. Oh no, not this view. That's an ugly view. Okay. So we'll go down. We'll try to get to another spot where we can take more photos. We'll go down the hill. This is the advantage of having a stabilizer. So even though we're going down the hill, you can still see that the video is still stabilized. And we came from this hill with the flagpole of UAE. That's the flag of UAE.
Te sigo buscando, tanto, tanto, tanto llevo, pero no encuentro un rastro que me diga si es que estoy cerca. Cuando quiero de una vez decirte adiós.
Lesson learned. Tip number one. If you will come here, do not wear shoes. You can wear flip-flops or sandals, which is much better because 100% chance that you have to cross the lake. So you can reach the best spot where you can take photos. Alright, so here, let me show you this. One of the spot where you can take photo. Bang! Bang, bang, booty. Boom! That's the lake. You can relax here as well. So I have a photographer there. Okay, she's taking photo of me. Well, you can relax on one of these hearts. You know, bang, bang, bang. Oh my god. There are more fish. Oh. There are small fish. Can you see them? Alright, so let's try this. I think this is a fish food. Let's see. We'll try to feed the fish if they will gather for this food. Let's see. So we will throw this in the water. Oh yeah. Let's see if they will come here. Oh yeah, they're coming.
Small fish.
Small fish are coming. Let's try to lure the big fish. Okay, so let's try to lure them here. Yeah, I think this is a fish food. This is a fish food. We'll try to get more. And then we will feed the fish. Alright. So now that's all for our Love Lake visit. What's our next destination?
Riverland.
Riverland. Another tip, food and water are not available here, right?
Yeah.
So you have to make sure to bring all your food, belongings. That's all you can do here. You can do picnic. Make sure to bring enough food and water. And you can do barbecue as well. So, what else do you want to add?
You can play with the koi fish.
Yeah, you can play with the koi fish. I'm not sure if you can cook them.
Don't bring your children.
Don't bring your children, yeah, because they will mess with the sand.
Bring your camping tent.
Bring your camping tent. Come here as early as you can because by this time, right now, it's almost 4 o'clock. And people are keep coming, so there are more crowds. And by this time, you won't be able to find a good spot where you can what do you call this in English? No English.
Oh, look at them. Look
Yeah.
at them.
Look at them. Be careful with the road, yeah. So it's a rough road. Be smart. Don't be stupid.
Cut.
Cut. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So our next video will be in Riverland. I will create another video or separate video for this place. Alright? See you again later.